Hi everyone, so today I am unboxing Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, which is in Chinese version. Last month it is launched in India and it is called Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. This is different from Indian version because this is 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. In India they just launched two models, one is 4GB RAM and another is 6GB RAM. But in China they launched three models, 3GB RAM and 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM. So this cost me 1099 RMB only and $175 and 11,300 Indian rupees. Okay, let's open the box now and look what's inside. So it's written 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. So let's open. So this is Redmi Note 5. In India it's called Redmi Note 5 Pro. And in this box we have a silicone cover. This is the instruction manual. Everything in Chinese and the warranty card. So we can use 2 Nano Sim and 1 Nano Sim plus MicroUSB card. So this is the charger, 5V 2A. This phone also supports quick charge. And the last one is the data cable, MicroUSB A. So this all include in the box. So there is a fingerprint lock here on the side, volume button and the lock button, speaker, micro USB A, mic and headset jack. So the design is same with the Indian model. So let's start the mobile. So MIUI 9, language English, and I skip the setup. So there is no Play Store in this phone. So in this phone they use Snapdragon 636, battery is 4000 mAh and storage is available 21GB. And display size is 5.99 inch. And there is a big difference. In this model Android version is 8.1 and in Indian model is 7. RAM is 3GB and CPU octa-core maximum 1.80 GHz. So about the camera, this phone have dual rear camera, 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel for portrait mode, and this is different from Indian one. They have 12 megapixel plus 1.4 pixel with f1.9 camera, but the front camera is only 13 megapixel, but in Indian model is 20 megapixel. The clarity is really good and they have portrait mode which is really good. Just I click some pictures and there are so many like panorama, manual. In Chinese model the camera is much better than Indian model. I bought a Xiaomi Siga mechanical watch, so I click some pictures with Note 5 and it's look really awesome. So I tried benchmark test. Let's see what's the result. So this was the result, and it's really nice for a budget phone. I found a new feature in this phone. In the setting, you can go to full screen display. There are two options. One is button and one is full screen gesture. So this is the new feature I found in this phone. So if you want to just go back onto the home screen, just from the bottom to middle, and if you want to return back, then from left side to the middle or right side to the middle. And the last one, in this phone we have also Face ID lock screen. So let's try it. So the face lock is really good and it's quick. So in my opinion, according to the price, the phone is really nice. They have three variants: 3GB, 4GB and 6GB. So according to your budget, you can buy any one. So hope you like this video, and for more videos, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel.